Hello students, today we are going to solve very important topic of fundamental of partnership, that is guarantee of profit. One very good question number 89. So here we start. Ajay, Binay and Chetan were partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3 is to 3 is to 2. The partnership deed provided for the following. First point, salary of rupees 2000 per quarter to Ajay and Binay. Per quarter means 8,000 rupees per year. Fine. Then Chetan was entitled to a commission of 8,000. Nothing mentioned. It means this is 8,000 per annum. Then Binay was guaranteed a profit of 50,000 per annum. Now guaranteed a profit. Nobody has mentioned. It means who will give profit to Binay if there is any deficiency? Then Ajay and Chetan both partner will give. The profit of the firm for the year ended 31st March 15 was 1,50,000, which was distributed among Ajay, Binay and Chetan in the ratio of 2 is to 2 is to 1 without taking into consideration the provisions of partnership deed. Pass the necessary rectifying entry for the above adjustment. You can see the correct ratio is 3 is to 3 is to 2, but they have distributed profit in the ratio of 2 is to 2 is to 1. So this is also one mistake. And these points they have missed to consider. So we need to pass one rectify entry to solve this problem. So let's solve, dear children. This is the combination of past adjustment as well as guarantee of profit. A very good question. Okay. So let's start, dear children. Salary of 2000 per quarter to Ajay and Binay not given means 8,000 salary. So 8,000 to Ajay and Binay. Salary is credited to partner. So that's why we are crediting in partner's account Ajay and Binay. 8 plus 8, 16,000. Whatever is credited to partner is debited to firm. So we debit 16,000 to firm. I hope this first point is clear. Let us move on second point. Chetan was entitled to a commission of 8,000. So let's give commission to Chetan. How much? 8,000. So commission is credited to partner Chetan. It is credited to partner, that's why it must be debited to firm. So it is debited to firm. Now here Binay was guaranteed a profit of 50,000. Okay, we will see this point also. There is one more point. 1,50,000 was distributed in wrong ratio, 2 is to 2 is to 1. So this mistake is also to be debited. Okay, dear children. So profit wrongly credited. Now what we do? Now we will debit 1,50,000. 1,50,000 is wrongly 1,50,000 debited to partner. It is wrongly credited in 2 is to 2 is to 1. 2 is to 2 is to 1. So we will divide 2 2 1 5. 1,50,000 divided by 5, 30,000. Okay. So 60,000 will be debited. 60,000 will be debited to Binay and 30,000 will be debited to Chetan because it was wrongly credited. Now debited. I hope this point is clear to everyone. Okay. Now let us see how much difference comes. So here the total is 1,50,000. 1,50,000 minus 16 and 8, 24. So 1,26,000 balance remains here. 1,26,000. It will be 1,50,000. Now this 1,26,000 is to be distributed to the partner in proper ratio. Profit to be credited. Profit to be credited. But here is one adjustment. What is that adjustment? That Binay was guaranteed a profit of 50,000. Okay, so let us see small working note. Working note for it. A, B and C. Okay, who has guaranteed? Binay was guaranteed. So Binay's guarantee is how much? That he must get 50,000. The ratio of these partner is 3 is to 3 is to 2. So this is the ratio, 3 is to 3 is to 2. This is the ratio. And profit which is available, that is only 1,26,000. Now what to do? Let us distribute first this profit to A, B and C in this ratio. But when we multiply with 2, 31,500. But his guarantee is 50,000. Okay, so what is the deficiency, children? You can see the deficiency is 50,000 minus 47,250. This is the deficiency, 2,750. Now who will fulfill this deficiency? A and C will fulfill. A and C will fulfill. In which ratio? In 3 is to 2 ratio. In 3 is to 2. So 1,650 we subtract from A and 1,100 we subtract from C. Okay, dear children. So 47,250 minus 1,650. It will be 45,600. He will get 2,750. So his profit will be 50,000 guaranteed, and 31,500 minus 1,100, it would be 30,400. So this is the profit working note which is computed and which is to be credited to the partner A, B and C in correct ratio. So A's profit is 45,600, must be credited. So 45,600 is credited. You can see B's profit is 50,000. So B's profit is also credited 50,000, which is guaranteed. Okay, and C's profit is, children, 30,400. So C's profit is 30,400. I hope this point is clear. Now what to do? We need to do the total, children. So let me do the total. 60,000, 45 plus 8, 53,600, 60,000, 50 plus 8, 58,000, 30,000 and 38,400. Okay, children. Now let's take the difference. Which side is more or less? 60,000 minus 53,600. So 6,400. Ajay's debit side is more by 6,400. So Ajay's capital account will be debited. Binay's debit side is more by 2,000. So Binay's capital account is debited by 2,000. And Chetan's credit side is more by 8,400. So his capital account will be credited by 8,000. Is that clear, dear children? So what entry we pass here? Ajay, Binay will be debited and Chetan will be credited. So entry we pass Ajay's capital account debit. Okay. Binay's capital account debit. Okay. And third one is Chetan. To Chetan's capital account. Okay. 6,400, 2,000 and 8,400. I hope this is clear. Being partners capital accounts are adjusted to rectify the error. Okay, dear children, this is very good question. I hope this question is clear to everyone. Yes, children. Thank you. Thank you very much.